Hey guys, it is Sandy from Two Fat Birds Creative. So today I am doing a ResinCrete project. I was going to try to do something to get into the World Music Day, but that is just in 2 days, and I don't think that I will be ready for that. So I'm still doing what I originally had planned and going from there. So ResinCrete is a 10:3 ratio, 10 parts water, 3 parts of 10 parts powder to 3 parts water. And that's what we're gonna do. I do like ResinCrete because it has a little bit more working time compared to Bond Crafter's new product. Don't get me wrong, I love Bond Crafter's new product as well. I just want that little bit more working time to be able to do what I want to do. This one does tend to be a little clumpy, so I'm just trying to get the clumps out along the side of the cup here. Make sure I'm digging in to get the corners, kind of corner lip of the bottom lip of this cup done. And we'll be back once well, no, we'll go ahead and do this now. I'm going to add a kind of, I'm going to do 2 colors. We're going to do a sandy brown color, and then we're going to do a blue color. To the brown color, I'm also going to add some sand. And we'll see if you can guess what I'm trying to go for here. Let's see. Where is my little brown color in here? Why am I finding everything but that color? All my colors. I'm going to pause while I find it. So I didn't find the exact color I wanted to go with, but I have a Jadiction brown. And then I also have, that I of course forgot to pick up here, an ocean blue. So let's give these both a shake. Oh, this burn I've not ever used before. Let's go ahead and give it a good shake. And just 1 drop to start for each. And we'll give this a little mix up. Yeah, I like that. That's a good color. And the blue mix up. And that's a good color there too. Here's my sand. I think I got this sand at the dollar store. And I'm just going to put it in a cup I've used in the past before, just so I don't have to lug around the big giant cup. So I'm gonna mix some of that in there to begin with. I'm gonna add a little bit of the brown down here. And then the blue up here. Okay, we're going to pause there while I continue getting some of this mixed up. And pour some of this down there, except for it's not as heavy as I want it. I should have put this down first. So I'm just trying to press it down in there. I am making a mess, but you know what? If you aren't making a mess, are you really crafting? And partly because I just did this backwards. I should have put this one down first. And then we'll put some more of this down here. And we're just going to really let this cure up. I will add some more. Add some white in here. Maybe. It's getting really thick. I'm also doing this to, you know, make sure it's filled, and this will push some of that blue up here. Get that pushed in there. And then I'm just going to add some of this white into that blue cup just to finish topping it off. So that it's not all just white going in, so it should be okay. Probably, hopefully not sink down. And we are full, so we will just wait for this to cure and then move on to the next steps. See you in a minute. All right, kitties, let us reveal this. Oh, she heavy. We're gonna unmold those later. Again, this is for World Music Day, but it's not going out with the collaboration because it's not done in time. That's funny how you can't even see the sand that I put in there. That's weird. But I like how it looks anyways. So that's good. So we are going to use UV resin to finish doctoring this up. All right, so got my UV resin here, and I'm going to just drizzle some across here. And then I'm going to sprinkle my sand on top of it. This is a little tribute to one of my favorite artists, musical artists, though she is also an actress. Oh, I said she. Actress, singer first. I'll give you a hint, it is not Madonna. Okay, grab my beast of a lamp, and we will just hang out right here. Oops. And let that cure up for a minute. All right, I put a little bit more resin down, and now we're going to put some of these shells. God, what does this have to do with music? Well, if you think about what this is, you'll realize who it's a tribute to. And she has done the whole soundtrack for this movie. And we will get some more sand down. And cure it up again. So I also have a little stamp here. It's a little music staff. And we shall move this here. Put some ink on it. Say a little prayer that this will work. I'm just going to do it at a little angle here. Ta-da! And it didn't do the side, but oh well. I could try. I don't think I'll be able to line it up again. Wonder if I could do another. This is going to get in the way there. I could do another one, but again, it gets in the way there. 1 second. All right, I got some little music notes here. Dab those into the ink. And I am going to dab them again. And just there we go, we'll just do that. Our stamping right now is complete. And now for the final tribute to this person, get that out of there, we do the rose. Have you figured it out with the rose? A famous song. The person this is in tribute to is Bette Midler. She is my favoriteest singer, comedian extraordinaire. Hopefully I can get that to stay there. Get a little here, and we'll put some up here. And I'm going to grab my little light so that I can get to it from over here. So, you know, beaches. Bette Midler did all the music for that, most of the music for that. That's what that indicates. The single solitary rose for the song The Rose, which she sang, which she starred in the movie as well. Thus the musical notes here. Yay, that's stuck on there. And there's one little last tidbit of something to put something else in there, because right now all you see is a silver thing that holds it together. So I've got some crushed crystal here. Crushed crystal, crushed glass. Maybe I can get it open. Maybe not. Come on. Why are we not coming open? I have the hardest time always at trying to open these things up. Just take my little spoon, scoop out some, and we're just going to drop that in the center. And then we shall cure that up. So that's my make for World Music Day. It is a tribute to Bette Midler because it is beaches and the rose. There's my music notes. I hope you enjoyed this make. Thank you everybody who subscribes to my channel. Thank you everybody who watches my videos. That's what helps keep my channel going, and I greatly appreciate all of you. If you haven't subscribed, think about it. It's free for you. Does my channel a world of good. You can aim your camera phone at the subscribe QR code popping up on the screen, or you can just boop that subscribe button on your computer, tablet, phone, TV, however you're watching this. I do have a Buy Me a Coffee and an Amazon wish list. Links in my description as well, if you are so enabled and inclined to do so. Everything donated through there goes right back into making things for my channel. All right, with that, stay tuned for the beauty shots. And get these little over pores off of there. Yeah, there she is. Hope you like it. I know it was kind of super fast and easy, quick make. That is one of the nice things about using an eco casting compound like ResinCrete or others. They cure up nice and fast and quick. So yeah, thanks guys. Stay tuned for the beauty shots, and I'll see you later. Bye.